Today, Tesla Giga Texas drone operator Joe Techmeyer shared this cute, nice video showing how many Tesla Cybertrucks Tesla has already built and how many of them are already parked in the parking lots around Giga Texas. Friends, Cybertruck designer says Tesla stainless steel pickup is no experiment, but it's the edge for the brand. The angular polarizing design of the Cybertruck will help boost the Tesla brand, the electric vehicle maker's chief designer said yesterday, Thursday, adding that the pickup was no experiment. Love it or hate it, it's a conversation starter and it gets people talking about the brand, Tesla chief designer Franz von Holzhausen said at the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles, which is adding Cybertruck models to a Tesla exhibit. The long-delayed Cybertruck starts at the price of $60,990, over 50% more than what CEO Elon Musk had touted in 2019, with a smaller range than originally promised. But it is drawing interest from people who have never owned a truck, with some potential owners going up for it at some Tesla showrooms. Von Hausen said, in fact, I myself was in Tesla showroom just 2 weeks ago to see Cybertruck and I was very much impressed. So von Holzhausen said just because it looks different doesn't mean that it can't be potentially a high volume vehicle. He added saying the pickup measures up to the performance of traditional rivals. There seems to be this air of doubt, he said, and we're bringing people into the market that never would have owned a truck before, von Holzhausen said, and so I don't think it's an experiment. Do you think Tesla Cybertruck is a big volume success? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below while you're watching Joe Techmeyer's video from Tesla Giga Texas parking lot, where you can see how many Cybertrucks Tesla has already produced. So let's keep watching, and thanks Joe Techmeyer for this video. Merry Christmas everyone, because Christmas is coming up. God bless you everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.